We are pleased to show you the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.